Okay guys, this would be my second example I want to share with you. For this one I'm going to remind you that you have this analytic trig formula sheet. This will help you tremendously as you're working through these. Try to keep this close at hand for yourself. What I'm going to look at here, it says complete the identity, and then I just have an expression that it says equal to. So what I'm really looking for you to do here is simplify. So what I'm going to look at is on my trig sheet what relationships I may have. And in this case I have cotangent squared x plus 1. Anytime I see any value squared plus 1, I'm going to think Pythagorean identities. Okay, so when I think Pythagorean identities, I'm going to check, and we have 1 plus cotangent u, cotangent squared u is equal to cosecant squared u. That means when I go to solve this problem, and I'll make it bigger so I can write, let's see, I'll go ahead and copy this. Over here I know that my Pythagorean identity is 1 plus cotangent squared u is equal to cosecant squared u. Okay, that's one of my identities. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, in this expression, replace cotangent squared x plus 1 with cosecant squared x. These two are equivalent. This is equivalent to that. That is equivalent to that. And by that chain, this is what our result is. And then I would have that over negative cosecant squared x. Or I'm sorry, that's not squared. That's cosecant in this case. So we would say negative cosecant x. This is just like if I had x squared over x, what would happen is I would subtract my exponent, and my negative carries on. Positive and negative would leave me as a negative. I would just subtract my exponent, and I would end up with cosecant x, negative cosecant x. Okay, so that identity would reduce to be that. We'd also say, depending on the question or the style, like sometimes on Math Excel you're asked to do multiple, like check all that apply. Something else we could say is that this would be equivalent to negative 1 over sine x. Okay, so just being aware of those identities and how they work, keeping that sheet close by. I'm getting this part from that right there. Thanks a lot, guys.